Okay, here we go. We're going down into. Notice this here floats. So we're just going out into the. We're gonna get some muck right now. Put this down.
Here we are coming up out of the lake with a load of muck. I'm doing this because there was some background noise that was irritating, so I'm doing a voiceover right now. Notice that it's coming up and getting ready to come onto the driveway. Right here it is showing us pulling up the muck with a tractor, a lawn tractor, or you can use a drill-powered electric winch that I have made. You need to see another video for that. This right here is where we're going to hook up the device and be able to remove it a fair distance away, or taking it over to a dumpster or over to some vacant land. I've speeded up the video. I am sorry that it's a little jiggly, but you get the idea. Here I'm disconnecting the device from the tractor, and I'm getting ready to take it over to the dump site. Then in this next little clip, you'll hear the tractor and the
for another pull. It's that easy. Thanks so much for watching. That's it.